Welcome to maths class once again. Okay, in my previous class I have done exercise 2.3 and I have completed that exercise and I have even given you the homeworks. I hope you have done the homeworks. Okay, and if you have any doubt, I have said you can ask me. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can ask me. So today I am going to start a new exercise. Okay, 2.4. Which exercise? 2.4. In this exercise, what problems questions are there? Okay, so we are going to do what problems? Okay, so how to solve this question? We have to read the question, okay, properly, and whatever is given, we will write that first. Then we will see whether we have to do addition. Then we will see whether we have to do addition or subtraction. What we have to do. So when it will be written all, total, all together, sum, then what you will do? You will add. Okay. When you will see these words at last of the question, okay, then what you have to do? We have to add. What you have to do? Add. And when you will see less than, okay, difference, taken away, so what you have to do? Subtraction. Okay, what you have to do? Subtraction. Okay, so now let's see one by one the questions. Okay, and then first I will explain you what this question says. Then I'll do the solution on the blackboard. Okay, then it will be easy for you to do. And if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay. So let's start. Question number 1. A florist sold 56,386 roses, 16,412 tulips, and 22,117 lilies in a year. How many flowers did the florist sell in all in that year? Now this question says us that florist is there and that florist sold roses, okay, tulips and lilies. So this question is asking that how many flowers the florist has sold in a year. Okay, in 1 year, the total number of flowers the florist has sold. So, how many roses he has sold? He has sold 56,386 roses. How many tulips? 16,412 tulips. Okay, and what he has sold more? Lilies. How many lilies he has sold in a year? 22,117 lilies. Okay, in a year. So in 1 year he has sold roses, tulips and lilies. Okay, so we have to find that how many flowers, okay, florist has sold in that year. All total number of flowers including rose, lilies, tulips in all, okay, in that year. We have to find all the numbers of flowers he has sold in that year. Okay, so what we have to do? All means we have to add. We have to add these three. Whatever the roses, lilies and tulips he has sold, we have to add this all. Okay, and then we will get the total number of flowers that florist has sold in that year. Okay, so now let's start. Let's do question number 1. Question number 1. First we will write whatever is given in the question, then we will add. Okay, number of roses sold is equals to, see it is given up to which place? Up to 10,000 place. Okay, so let's start. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. Why I have written this? Because it will be easy for you to add. Okay, now how many roses he has sold? 56,386. Okay, so 56,386. So it has become easy for us to place. Okay, now let's see the number of tulips sold. Number of tulips sold. So what is the number of tulips sold? 16,000. Okay, 412. Okay, 16,412. Now last one, which flower he has sold? Number of lilies. Okay, we have sold lilies also. Sold is equals to, so how many lilies he has sold in the year? 22,117. 22,000, see I have written in thousands place, 117. Okay, and what you have to find? So what we have to find? Total number of flowers sold. Okay, so what we have to do? We have to plus. So we will get the total number of flowers sold in a year. So now let's add 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2 is 8. Okay. Now in 8 we have to add 7. Okay. You can add from 7 plus 2. Also like this also you can add, or you can add 6 plus 2. I have already said you, in addition you can change the odds and addend. Okay. The answer will be same only. Okay. So I am doing 6 plus 2, then I will do add 7. Okay. I will add 7. You can do from 7 plus 2, whatever it will come, then again you can add 6. Okay. So in addition you can change the order of odds and addend. Okay. So now let's start. 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2 is 8. So in 8 we have to add 7. Okay. We have to add 7. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 7 is how much? 15. 8 plus 7 is 15. Okay. So we will write here 5. Okay. 5. 15 came no 1. We will get carry. Okay. Now 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. We have to add this carry 1 also. 10 plus 1 is 11. So we write here 1. 1 we will get carry. Okay. 3 plus 4 is how much? 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. Okay. Now 6 plus 6 is 12. 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. 12 plus 2 is 14. We will write here 4 and 1 we will get carry. Okay. Now 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. Okay. So this is the final answer. So total number of flowers sold is how much? 94,915. So you can write by putting the comma also. It will be easy for you to read. When we place the comma, it will be easy for you to read. Okay. When you will place the comma, it will be easy for you to read. Okay. You will not get confused. So now 1 cents, 100,000, 10,000. So 94,915 flowers. Okay. Flowers. Okay. So this was the total number of flowers we have sold in a year. When we have added the number of roses, tulips and lilies, we got 94,915 flowers. Okay. So now let's do question number 2. Now let's see what is question number 2. Question number 2 is restaurant A earned rupees 3,73,500 in the year 2017. Restaurant B earned rupees 58,720 less than what restaurant A earned in that year. How much did restaurant B earn in 2017? This question is little bit different from question number 3. In this question, what is given? Restaurant A is there and restaurant B is there. Okay. Restaurant A has earned rupees 3,73,500 in 2017. But restaurant B, it is not given that how much he have earned in 2017. But just it is given that he have earned 58,720 less than restaurant A. Okay, he have earned 58,720 less than restaurant A. So we have to find that how much restaurant B had earned. For example, you and your friend, okay, have one restaurant. Your restaurant is restaurant A and your friend's restaurant is restaurant B. Okay, so you have earned 1,000 rupees in a month. How much you have earned? 1,000 rupees in a month. I am giving the example for a month. Okay, okay, and your friend has earned 300 rupees less than what you have earned in a month. So, how much your friend has earned? You have earned 1000 rupees, okay? And your friend has earned 300 less than what you have earned. That means how much he have earned? I have not said that how much he have earned. He have earned 1000, 2000, 300, whatever I have not said. I have just said that he have earned 300 rupees less than what you have earned. So you have earned 1000 rupees and your friend has earned 300 less than you. So what you have to do? 1000 minus 300. That means he have earned 700 rupees. You have earned 1000 and your friend has earned how much? 700. So how we got this 700? By subtracting 1000 minus 300. Same way, how to get the earning of restaurant B? What we will do? We will subtract what this restaurant A has earned in 2017 minus, okay, what restaurant B has earned less than. He have earned less than what he have earned. How much less he have earned? 58,720. So we are going to subtract restaurant A earning in a year that is 3,73,500 and B has earned how much less? 58,720. So now the question is clear. I will give you one example so that you will understand it more better. Okay. So now let's start. Let's see what is question number 2. Question number 2. Restaurant A earned, okay, how much rupees he have earned? Rupees. Okay, what we will do? We will write that place. Okay, and it is up to how much? It is up to lakhs place. Okay, so ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh. Why I am writing this? So that it will be easy for us to place the number and do the addition or subtraction. Okay. So restaurant A earned how much rupees? 3,73,500 in which year? In 2017. Okay. Now restaurant B earned rupees. See how much he have earned less? 58,720. Okay, 58,700. See, I am placing this 7 in 100 column. 20 less than restaurant A in 2017. Okay. Now what we have to find? The earning of restaurant B. Restaurant B in 2017. Okay. Now restaurant B earned. Okay. How much he have earned? What we have to do? Now what we have to do to find the restaurant B earning? Subtraction. What we have to do? Subtract. Okay. Now see here. 0 minus 0 is 0. This is 0. From 0 we cannot subtract 2. So the 0 will take borrowing from this 5. So this 5 will become 4 and 0 will become 10. So 10 minus 2 is 8. From 4 we cannot subtract 7. So this 4 will take borrowing from this 3. 3 will become 2 and 4 will become 14. So 14 minus 7 is 7. How much it is? 7. Okay. Now from 2 we cannot subtract 8. So this 2 will take borrowing from this 7. 7 will become 6 and this 2 will become 12. Okay. So 12 minus 8 is how much? 4. How much? 4. Now 6 minus 5. 6 minus 5 is how much? 1. And this one is 3 and here nothing is given. So it will be 3 only. Okay. So restaurant B earned rupees. How much? How much it is? It is 3,14,780 in 2017. Okay. So let's write it with the comma. Okay. So it will be easy for us to read. Rupees. Okay. Write this number. Then how to place the comma according to Indian system? After 3 place, then 2. So how much it is? 3,14,780 rupees he have earned in 2017. Okay. This is the answer. Restaurant B earned rupees 3,14,780. Okay, in 2007. So we have got how much we have earned. Okay. Now let's see question number 3. Now let's see what is question number 3. Question number 3 is, in a year, a company manufactures 3,84,740 bicycles, out of which it sold 2,96,800 bicycles. How many bicycles were left unsold? Okay. Now this question says that bicycles manufacturing company is there, okay, and in a year company has manufactured how many bicycles? 3,84,740 bicycles. Okay. How many bicycles he has manufactured in a year? In 1 year, total number of bicycles that company has manufactured is how much? 3,84,740. 3,84,740. Okay. And out of this, okay, how many bicycles were sold? 2,96,800 bicycles were sold. So how much bicycles are left unsold? Left means what we have to do? We have to subtract. Okay, left means we have to subtract. Okay, so this question is easy. Okay, we have to subtract the total number of bicycles which is manufactured in a year minus how many bicycles were sold in a year. Then we will get the number of unsold bicycles. Okay, so now let's do question number 3. Number of bicycles. Okay, number of bicycles. First what will write? Manufactured. Manufactured. So how many bicycles were manufactured? 3,84,740. Okay, so it is given to lakhs place. So we will write ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakhs. Okay, so now let's place what is given. 3,84,740. Okay, so total number of bicycles manufactured were how much? 3,84,740. Now let's write the number of bicycles sold. How many bicycles were sold? Number of bicycles sold. So how many were sold? 2,96,800. So 2 lakh. Okay. Then how much? 96,000. Then 800. Okay. So these many bicycles were sold. Okay. Now what we have to find? Number of unsold bicycles. Okay. Okay. What we have to find? Number of bicycles which were unsold. Okay. So now let's write number of bicycles left unsold. Okay. So what we have to do? To find this, what we have to do? We have to subtract. Okay. We have to subtract, then we will get the number of bicycles which were not sold. Okay. This is the total number of bicycles, and out of this was sold. Okay. So how much is left? 0 minus 0 is 0. 4 minus 0 is 4. Okay. From 7 we cannot subtract 8 because 7 is small. So the 7 will take borrowing from this 4. This 4 will become 3 and 7 will become 17. Okay. Now from this 17 we can subtract 8. So 17 minus 8 is how much? How much? It is 9. How much it is? It is 9. Okay. Now from 3 we cannot subtract 6. So 3 will take borrowing from this 8. 8 will become 7. 3 will become 13. Okay. Now 13 minus 6 is how much? 13 minus 6 is how much? 7. Okay. Now 7 minus 9. We cannot subtract 9 from 7. 7 is small. So this 7 will take borrowing from this 3. 3 will become 2. 7 will become 17. Okay. So So now from 17 we can subtract 9. 17 minus 9 is how much? 8. Okay. And now see here, this is 2, this is 2. So 2 minus 2 is 0. Okay, no need to write. So number of bicycles left unsold is how much? 87,940. So number of bicycles which are not sold, which are left, how much it is? 87,940. Okay. So now let's number with comma. Okay. So how much bicycles were left unsold? 87,940 bicycles. Okay. This many bicycles. Now what is question number 4? Let's see. Question number 4 is a state library had 27,37,652 books of fiction. Okay. 36,58,127 magazines and also many reference books in its total stock of 1,43,58,897 books and magazines. How many reference books were there in the library? Okay, so in this question, a state library is there, and in this library, books of fiction is there. Okay, magazines are there in total stock. Okay, whatever the total stock they have, out of that, 27,37,652 books of fiction is there. Okay, how many books of fiction are there? 27,37,652 books of fiction. Okay, and how many magazines are there? 36,58,127. So books of fictions are there, magazines are there, and also reference books are also there in total stock. But they have not given us the number of reference books. We have to find this number of reference books. So how to find? Okay. First, what we will do? We will add books of fiction and magazine. We will add these two. Okay. Then we will subtract this from the total stock of books and magazine. Then we will get the number of reference books. Okay. Now let's start. Question number 4. Question number 4. Okay. What you will write? First, books of fiction. It will be books of fiction. Okay. It will be books of fiction. Books of fiction is given. Okay. Books of fiction is equals to how much? So up to which place it is given? Up to 10 lakhs place. So let's start. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakhs, and lakhs. Okay. So books of fiction is how much? 27 lakh. Okay. How much it is? 27 lakh. Okay. I have written this in lakhs per rate. 27 lakh 37,652 books of fiction are there. Okay. Now let's write how many magazines are there. Now how many magazines are there? So how many magazines are there? 58,127. How many magazines are there? 36,58,127. So how many magazines are there? 36,58,127. Okay. First, what we will do? We will add this. Okay. After adding this, we will subtract from the total stock. Okay. How many books are there in total? We will subtract from there. Then we will get the number of reference book. So first we will add this. Okay. 2 plus 7 is 9. Okay. 5 plus 2 is 7. 6 plus 1 is 7. Okay. 7 plus 8 is 15. 1 carry. 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. 7 plus 6 is how much? 13. 1 carry. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. Okay. So, books of fiction and magazines are how much? How much it is? 63 lakh. Okay. 95,779. Okay. You can see this one is in lakhs per rate, this one is in thousands per rate, this one is 7. This one is one spread 779. Okay, so let's write here how many magazines and books altogether. Altogether we have written, we will write here. Okay, magazines, okay, and books of fiction is equals to how much? 63,95,779. But we have not got the answer now. Why? Because we want the number of reference book. Now how to find the number of reference book? What we will do? We have to do one more time. Okay. First we will write total number of books in library. Okay. So we have to write the total number of books in library. It is given up to crores place. Okay. So we will write here ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores. Okay. So what is the total stock of books in the library? So how many books are there in total? 1 crore 43 lakh 58,897. Okay, 1 crore 43 lakh 58,897. Now what we will do to find the number of reference book? We will subtract magazines and books of fiction. Okay, total number of magazines and books of fiction we will subtract from the total number of stock. Okay, whatever the book stock was there, we will subtract from there. It is the total number of books. From there, we will get the number of reference book. Okay, so now let's subtract. It is given up to 10 lakhs place. Okay, so we will start placing the number from here. 9775936. Okay, then we will subtract this. Okay. I have not placed from this side because it is 10 lakhs place. It is in 10 lakhs place. Okay. So I have not written here because it is crores place. Okay. So I have written from that side. Okay. Now let's subtract to find the number of reference book. Number of reference books is equals to, let's subtract this. 7 minus 9. We cannot subtract 9 from 7. So 7 will take 1 carry. So this 9 will become 8. 7 will become 17. Now 17 minus 9 is how much? 8. 8 minus 7 is 1. 8 minus 7 is 1. 8 minus 5 is how much? 3. 8 minus 5 is 3. From 5 we cannot subtract 9. So this 5 will take borrowing from this 3. 3 will become 2. 5 will become 15. 15 minus 9 is how much? 6. From 2 we cannot subtract 3. So this 2 will take 1 borrowing. So this 4 will become 3 and 2 will become 12. 12 minus 3 is 9. Now from 3 we cannot subtract 6. Okay. So this 3 will take borrowing from this 1. 1 will become 0 and this 3 will become 13. 13 minus 6 is how much? 7. How much it is? 7. Okay. So number of reference book is how much? How much it is? 79 lakh 63,118. Let's write here to place the comma. Place this. Okay. Reference books. Okay. 79 lakh 63,118 reference books. Okay. Now let's see question number 5. Now let's see question number 5. Question number 5 is the population of a state is 53 crore 78 lakh 43,231. If 25 crore 30 lakh 98,942 of them are males, then find the number of females in the state. This question, total number of population is given and number of males is given. Okay, so we have to find the number of females. So it is very easy. What we will do? We will subtract. Okay, we will subtract number of males from the total population. For example, in your class, total number of students is 50. Okay, how much it is? 50. And out of this 50, from total number of students, out of this 50, 20 students are boys. Okay, out of 50, 20 students are boys. So how many are girls? What I said, total number is how much? 50. And out of 50, 20 are boys. So how many are girls? 30 students are girls. So how we got this 30? 50 minus 20, we got 30. Same way, total number of population is given, number of males is given, we have to find the number of females. So what we have to do? We have to subtract from total number of population. Okay. Now let's start. So let's start question number 5. Question number 5. Population of the state. Population of the state is how much? Okay. How much is the population of the state? It is given up to 10 crores place. Let's write here. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. Okay. So what is the population of the state? 53 crore 78 lakh 43,231. Okay. Now let's write the number of males. Number of males is equals to, what is the number of males? 25 crore. Okay, 25 crore 30 lakh 98,000. 25 crore 30 lakh 98,942. Okay, this is the total population. This is the number of males. And what you have to find? Number of females. Number of females is equals to how much? What you have to do? We have to subtract. Okay, then we will get the number of females. Okay, we will subtract. Now let's subtract 1 minus 2. From 1 we cannot subtract 2. So 1 will take 1 borrowing from this 3. 3 will become 2 and 1 will become 11. 11 minus 2 is 9. From 2 we cannot subtract 4. So 2 will take borrowing from this. This 2 will become 1 and this 2 will become 12. 12 minus 4 is how much? 8. Okay. Now from 1 we cannot subtract 9. So 1 will take 1 borrowing from this 3. 3 will become 2 and this 1 will become 11. 11 minus 9 is how much? 2. Okay. Now from 2 we cannot subtract 8. So this 2 will take borrowing from this 4. 4 will become 3 and this 2 will become 12. 12 minus 8 is 4. From 3 we cannot subtract 9. So this 3 will take 1 borrowing from this 8. 8 will become 7 and 3 will become 13. 13 minus 9 is how much? 4. Okay. 7 minus 0 is 7. Okay. 7 minus 3 is how much? 4. Okay. 7 minus 3 is how much? 4. Now from 3 we cannot subtract 5. So this 3 will take 1 borrowing from this 5. 5 will become 4 and 3 will become 13. So 13 minus 5 is how much? 8. Okay. And 4 minus 2 is 2. So now number of females is how much? 28 crore. It is in crore spirit. 47 lakh 44,289. Okay. 28 crore 47 lakh 44,289. Let's place the comma. Okay. See a 3, 2, 2. Now you can read 28 crore 47 lakh 44,000